going to indicate on this roundabout? No, of course not. Why would you? Why would you bother indicating on a fucking roundabout? You're indicating to get off the roundabout? No, of course not. You're going to cut across my lane? You're going to cut across it again probably on the exit here? No, what the fuck are they doing? Fucking getting away. Oh, they indicate then. Whey. Well done. You can fucking indicate. Fucking idiot. I swear. Why do people do that? You cut in front, in the braking zone. Why? Braking for a fucking red light, and oh, someone fucking turns up. One of the slowest red light jumps here by the lorry.
What the fuck is that for going? He obviously wants our lane. Go on, stop him from getting our lane. Fucking do it. Does he want our lane? No, what's his problem? Oh, he did want our lane. No, he didn't. He just can't stay in the lanes properly.
Here we have an interesting U-turn from this white van here.
Well, that's the right lane, guys. Hearing. Right here. I don't even want this exit. Yeah.
Some people just have a death wish, I swear. Did they even bother looking?
Moved over. Really? Where the fuck can you come from? go left, yeah? Big ass jump. Fucking hell. What the fuck? Why are you coming into this lane? I think it's calmer for the car in front.
Okay, now.
I get it.
Okay, now, why do you want to take that? What?
The red car.
The red car.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Yeah, I do fucking wanted to do that. So we're just joining the A127 and you can see the van which is in lane 1 moves over to allow the other van in. Does that quite well. What happens now is what I have the issue is, so this is sped 2 times up while the van is now catching me and overtaking me. But they then decide to cut right in front of me and then slam on the brakes. So they slow me down for absolutely no reason at all. They don't want to go left at this kind of roundabout kind of thing. So they had absolutely no reason to cut in front of me and then brake. I don't know why people do that. Oh, look, they're going to undertake. Yeah. Some people just have no forward planning. So you see this huge gap behind me. This, not this one which is just overtaking now, but the next car here. Plenty of time to get into lane 1. Surely they know that they're going to be getting not the next exit but the one after, which comes up very quickly. But no, they want to get ahead still. They must get ahead of the one car which is in lane 1. I need to pull across and slow down. Again, there's no one behind me, but no, you must get one car in front and make me slow down. I've had to go off from 70 mile an hour thing down to 60 because of them, and they're turning fucking left. They could have done that behind me without inconveniencing me whatsoever.
It used to be 50 quid. We can't remember his name. We'll just don't know.
Yeah.
You knew. He was gonna
Oh no!
on it, this person's brought up